Are keyboards becoming a thing of the past? Less typing and fewer clicks. Get to cycle start faster with EZCAM. Wizards are now feature-rich. When a tool cannot be built on the fly, here you will find all the tool types for any job. When you work out of a library, you will skip all tool editing. Are you machining multiple sides of a part? Select the corresponding coordinate system to complete the job. Now there are more toolpath options to choose from. Learn one wizard, learn them all. With SmartClick, all the holes with the same parameters are selected. EZCAM uses rapid moves to avoid any collision with the part without user intervention. Find the right tool diameter by simply double-clicking any arc or hole. The diameter is copied to the clipboard. Use the paste option in the New Holes wizard. Even with Z Clear, EZCAM adds rapid moves in the right spots to avoid any collision. Rapid and clearance planes that are optimized are inserted in the G code. There are times when selecting the bottom of a pocket may include an undercut region. EZCAM has a solution. To avoid the undercut, simply click the surface that is being violated and add it as a check surface. An undercut region using the contour wizard behaves the same as the pocket. Simply add a check surface. The only option in the facing wizard was to machine the selected face in multiple passes. Now, it is possible to machine on the center line in one cut. When using multiple paths in the contour wizard, the tool would complete the cut and come to a stop. Then it would proceed to feed into the material again. Now with helical, the tool spirals, feeding inward until the wall is completed. EZCAM has eliminated cutting air using custom stock. The stock shape now takes precedence when you select the curved boundary labeled stock CRV. SmartClick chains surfaces together in one click, and the depth of cut is determined by the deepest face. In this case, we would violate the ribs, but not if you add the flat surface representing the depth. At the machine, are you touching off your tools to an oversized stock? With our new addition to World On Model, you can use World On Stock to match the touch off at the machine. In this example, the top of the stock is the origin. Are you making multiple parts? Program one part to completeness and use multiple fixtures. This option allows you to add copies in two ways. It can be in a series of offsets, such as G54, G55, and so on, or you can add a distance between parts. The wizard is simple and easy to use. There are templates for every stock because each material has their own strategy. Let's take a look at creating templates, where selecting a tool will load all strategies. We'll make a couple of changes, set them as default, and name the template. Make your perfect part time and time again. EZCAM's made high-speed machining more efficient. We use a wider sweep where you can increase your feed rates and obtain better part finishes. Back to templates, simply select the one you created, and all your settings are applied. Four-axis solid machining used to be cumbersome. You were required to build a curve boundary. Now the selected surface edges become the boundary automatically. Avoiding clamps and fixtures is just a setting away. We'll look at three scenarios. First, we won't add any allowances. Second, we'll add a side finish allowance. And last, our new finish allowance for check surfaces will be applied. To start your Constant Z toolpath anywhere on your part is a matter of clicking anywhere on the screen. No accuracy is required. Of course, you can always snap to a location or add dimensions to be more precise. Want to ease into the cut when turning? EZCAM has added lead in and lead out options where you can ramp using an arc, linear, or both. You can avoid plunging into a groove when using a turning tool. There is a new skip groove addition to the turning wizards. You can add a width value to any tool. Under 10 times the tool width, a groove will be skipped. Want to change the way EZCAM thinks? Automatic boundaries are changed in a matter of clicks. There are two types of boundaries, left and right for the overall width, and outer-inner to determine the max OD and ID. Stock types are listed in a pull-down menu and are easy to create. Choose cylinder, cone, tube, or from table. building your stock using coordinate values. When you select a material, you are actually preparing a machining strategy. With templates, you always get your best machining practices. Computing your stock wraps the material around your solid model. If your import came in backwards, just reverse the model. When you select the grooving tool, EZCAM looks at the orientation of the tool to deliver the correct automated paths. This applies to OD, face, back face included, and the ID. EZCAM activates automatic collision avoidance when consecutive work steps are active. What do you do when complex XY/UV wire paths do not line up? Now you can pick on the screen for a perfect match. The direction of your wire path, clockwise or counterclockwise, is now correctly compensated in either the G41 or G42. No more editing the left and right offset. EZCAM calculates the thickness of your part and provides the thickness in a positive or negative direction according to the coordinate system. As you see in this G-code, EZCAM chose wisely and output a G42 for a clockwise direction. You can expect greater things in EZCAM 2024, but it's bye for now.